Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about shedding a boop. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about what you do when your flow whip starts to shed. Shedding is something that happens with all fiber optic whips. It's something that happens naturally. It's nothing about your doing. Some whips are more durable than others, and sometimes it really depends on how you are as a flow artist, especially with flow whip. Are you super aggressive? Do you hold it by the whip fibers frequently? Or are you more of a handle flow whipper? I myself am more of an aggressive flow whipper, so in particular for me, I get quite a bit of flow fibers. I started collecting them just because I wanted to show you what they look like. They don't really vacuum up real well. It's not going to hurt your vacuum or anything. It might get a little tangled, but this is essentially what it looks like when they shed. Now, why is this important to know? I am very transparent when it comes to flow props and my flow artist style. I also want to make sure that I'm educating people who want to get into this with the full extent of my knowledge. And that is, especially with flow whips, you will have to replace the head. So please keep that in mind when you are financially planning as a flow artist. This is my Fiberflies whip. Essentially what you do is you just unscrew it from the handle. It's super easy. The same goes for Glow FX. Both companies also sell the whip head replacement. I'm replacing my Fiberflies whip head today, so I just wanted to show you how it comes in the package. It comes in this cute little pouch, and you just open it up and your whip head's inside. Okay. It comes coiled up like this. I know it's super common. For whatever reason, I get asked, like, how do I straighten my whip? I don't do anything special. Honestly, it just straightens itself out over time and over use. I think there are some videos and explanations about how to speed up the process using warm water. Honestly, I don't think it's necessary. It's just gonna loosen up when you use it. Here's a little comparison, and this hand is gonna be my old whip, and then this hand is going to be the new whip, just so you see. So as you can see, the newer whip is definitely a lot thicker. It looks, of course, shinier. It doesn't have the oils from my skin and anything like that. And then all you do is you just screw it back on. It's really that simple. I know flow arts can be pretty intimidating for some, and I get a lot of questions, especially over on my TikTok, about certain aspects of flow arts. So I hope this helps. Before you use, you want to make sure you lube it up with your lube of choice. I personally use Astroglide silicone based for myself. I found it to be the most cost effective. But yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to wait till it gets dark and then I'm going to flow for you.